Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Today, I'm going to be showing these. Just want to quick check up on the temperature. 11.2 inside the greenhouse. And then we have 7.8 on the first sensor and 4.9 in the shade. So yeah, I really do appreciate that. It really lets you know what's been occurring. But we're going to be showing these Echinacea white swan. These are from Mr. Fothergill's. Perfect for bees, butterflies, that sort of thing, pollinators. These should be sown February to July. I can sow these earlier because these are the hardy perennial. I have got my lights over here to show you with heater mats, so I can use those. So first of all, let's get in here, shall we first? I have to take my black gloves off because I can't do anything in them, especially counting seeds and looking seed packets. First of all, get the name tag in first. As you can see here, I've already sown some petunias and some gypsy feeder in there. Get these open. I'm going to sow all these. I think there it is. How many seeds is it? 50 seeds. So we'll get all these sown. There are them, like so. Try and spread them out as much as possible. Up to the edge. Make sure there's none in the bottom there. Get them all out, like so. That's all them out. So yeah, like it says on here, cover with a fine layer of compost. Just let you slowly go over that in case you want to read that and get the information. So now that's done, I shall get a little bit of dried compost and just sprinkle it over the top, like so. I've grown Echinacea before from seed. I really do enjoy growing them from seed because you never know exactly what you're going to get, what colour. So what you need to do then is just give them a good water. This has already been watered, this compost, so now that's been done like so. What we need to do with that is spin it around and place it. There we go. Ooh. Spin it around, place it in my propagator tray, and that should be brilliant now. And get the lid on there, and that can go between 20 and 25 on my heated propagator. You see 20.2, which is great. Let's get the lid down here and get to it. Get the lid down. Right, so sorry folks. Yeah, that's the lid down there. Get the other lid down. Tuck them up nicely and let them get warm. Just close the vents there. So yeah, that's how to grow Echinacea. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please like and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. And always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.